Hello friends, how are you all? I hope you all are fine and you are doing well. And in this video I am going to provide you 20 words, okay, along with their synonyms and how you can use these words in the sentences. So just watch my video till the end, and if you like my video then please press the like button, and if you like my video then it will motivate me, okay. And I will give you more vocabulary words that especially that are related to speaking and writing, okay. So definitely these vocabulary words will help you to score high in your two modules, especially in speaking and writing. So without wasting your time, I am going to start the video. And the first word that today I am going to give you, that is mesmerize, okay. It is mesmerize, and the meaning of mesmerize means fascinated, okay. And its synonyms are fascinate, hypnotize, enthrall, and you can use it in the sentences in this way: I was mesmerized to see the beauty of Taj Mahal, okay. So second word that we have, that is pathetic, okay, means pitiful condition, miserable condition, and the synonyms are pitiful, miserable, heartbreaking. And how you can use this word in the sentence: the injured people and the accident spot gave a pathetic look. So next word that I am going to provide you, that is revet, okay. And the synonyms of revet are reply, respond, come back, and you can use it in the sentence in this way: I did not get any revet means I did not get any answer till date, ओके, फॉर द लेटर आई रोट टू द काउंसिल, कि जो मैंने काउंसिल को लेटर लिखा था अभी तक, टिल डेट मीन्स अभी तक मुझे उसका कोई भी रिप्लाई नहीं मिला, ओके. नेक्स्ट वर्ड दैट वी हैव, दैट इज इंडोर्स, ओके. एंड द सिनोनिम्स फॉर इंडोर्स वर्ड इज accredit, approve, certify. You can use this word in this way: the government fully endorse the measures taken to prevent the spread of coronavirus. And the next word that today I am going to provide you, that is conducive. It means beneficial, favorable, and helpful, okay. You can use in this way: negative behavior is never conducive for the growth of children, okay. Means negative behavior is never helpful for the growth of children. Next word that we have, that is detrimental. Detrimental means harmful, that is damaging, injurious, okay. And you can use it in the sentence in this way: smoking and consumption of drugs have detrimental effect on the human health. Next word for today, that is procure, and the synonyms are obtain, acquire, find, okay. These are the synonyms for this: obtain, acquire, and find. You can use in this way: I am writing this letter to procure information, means I am writing this letter to find information about the course, के कोर्स के बारे में मैं information acquire करना चाहता हूँ, which is going to begin in less than 2 weeks, okay. The course that is going to start, that is going to begin, that is going to commence in the less than 2 weeks. Next word we have extinct, okay, and the meaning is familiar, habitual, usual. You can use it in this way: since childhood they got accustomed to watch criminal activities. means के children से, childhood period से they got familiar to watch, means के they become habitual of watching criminal activities, okay. Next word is ambience, okay. And the meaning of ambience word means aura, atmosphere, and air. You can use it in the speaking, especially this hotel has a very pleasant ambience, okay. Next word we have holistic. Yes, and this word is very important from the writing task too. Okay, from viewpoint of writing task 2, this word is very important. And the synonyms for holistic word is comprehensive, means full. Okay, for full development of a child, like this you can use this word total. And how you can use it? Schooling is very important for children because it helps in holistic development, means it helps in full development of a child. So next word that I am going to give you, that is umpteen. Okay, and the synonyms are numerous, countless, and many. How can you use this word? This job has umpteen rules and regulations, means this job has countless, many rules and regulations. Next word is antes. Okay, how you can use? At the end of year, there are numerous deals at the shopping malls which entice customers to shop more. Entice means lure, attract, tempt, किसी को लालच देना. Okay. So next word that we have, that is retrieve. It means recover, reclaim, and recall. And how you can use it? On her 25th wedding anniversary, she retrieved all the beautiful memories in one frame. Okay. Next word we have, that is innovative. It means original, new, and novel. You can use it in the sentence in this way. Her ideas were very innovative. Okay. Always you should also adopt new innovative ideas to crack IELTS exam. है ना? So next word that I am going to provide you, that is extravagant. Okay, word is extravagant, and you can, and the synonyms for this is excessive and exorbitant. Exorbitant, very important word. And sentence, how you can use this word? Her husband always sent her exorbitant गिफ्ट्स, मीन्स exorbitant अमाउंट में वो उसके हस्बैंड उसको ऑलवेज गिफ्ट सेंड करते हैं. नेक्स्ट वर्ड दैट वी हैव, दैट इज prestigious. Okay, it means anything that is more famous. Okay, and having a name and fame. Means synonyms are reputable, eminent, and recognized. You can use it in the sentence in this way: the professor who graduated from a very prestigious university will be teaching us. Okay, कि जिस प्रोफेसर ने बहुत मीन्स एमिनेंट यूनिवर्सिटी से ग्रेजुएशन की है, ही विल टीच अस, वो हमें टीच करेगा. ओके, सो नेक्स्ट वर्ड्स that I am going to give you, that is imperative. Very important word. It means crucial, something that is very important, critical, vital. Okay, so how you can use it in the sentence? We get oxygen from plants and it is very imperative, it is imperative for the survival of human beings. Okay, next word is contradict. Yes, word is contradict, and synonyms for contradict word is deny, oppose, differ. You can use it in the sentence in this way: he gave contradictory statements in the court. So students, अगर ये vocabulary आपके लिए helpful है, then please press the like button and tell me in the comment section. Okay, so that I can provide you such type of vocabulary on the daily basis. Okay, but your comments and likes I need. Really, it will really these act as these are boosting my confidence and these are motivating me. So please press the like button and share my videos with your friends. Okay, if you want such kind of videos on the daily basis. So next word that I am going to provide you, last two words. Word is conflict, and conflict means dispute, quarrel. Okay, squabble. And how you can use it? His marriage is full of conflict. कि उसकी मैरिज क्या है? That is full of conflict. उसमें disputes होते हैं. Okay, dispute means झगड़ा होना. Okay, next word we have mandatory, means important, compulsory, obligatory. Okay, इन means के जो जो चीज़ बहुत ज़्यादा ज़रूरी हो. Okay, so how you can use it? It's mandatory to wear a mask when you go outside because of COVID-19 pandemic. I hope these words are important for you. So please press the like button. Thank you.